What's up you guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Jesse and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove the B pillar on a Ford Flex. So let's get to it. Start by removing the 6 Phillips screws holding down the door panel. Use a pick and tool to pry open the cover behind the armrest and remove the hidden 10mm bolt. Do the same for the door handle cover. Gently pry off the door. Before you disconnect the electrical sockets, make sure to roll down the window about 3/4 to give you more space to remove the pillar. Remove the door handle so you can completely remove the door panel out of the way. Remove this window weather trim. Disconnect the B pillar trim socket. There's a retainer clip holding down the wiring in place. You can either cut the wire or pull the wire as hard as you can until the retainer clip comes off. Gently pry out the exterior window trim. Then slide the pillar towards the driver's side mirror and put pressure on the window while pushing down on the pillar. Remove the old one from inside and install the new pillar and slide it back into place. Make sure to clean the surface and remove the old adhesive. I'm using soapy water and a plastic blade. Wipe the surface with some rubbing alcohol and install the new pillar. If you guys found this video helpful, please select that like button. And if you didn't, then go make a better video than me. And if you personally want to support this channel, there is a donation link in the video description, or you can purchase a super thanks. All donations are being used for more tools, parts, and video equipment to bring more videos for you guys. Of course, this is probably going to be my only Ford Flex video for a while, since this is my client's car and it's not my own personal car. But yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.